setting medium, 99% filtration efficiency.
Okay, over here I got one grease fitting here, and I got one down there. Test out today, but see a little sample of what's used.
This thing I don't have him laying around.
Okay, we'll take this magnetic drain plug out. See how she looks. It doesn't take much. If I put it on the right way, it'd help. This is mostly just for curiosity's sake. I mean, I don't know if you really, if it does anything or not, but there's like nothing here. I mean, I don't feel nothing here. Just a little. It looks like, just looks a little dirty. Oh, there's something right there. The camera picks that up. There's like a little piece right there. Let's see what that is.